Are you subscribed to Aylex Badminton Academy?
No.
What?
I'm not.
It's your lucky day because now you're going to be. And as our subscriber, you get to challenge me and Franklin in a match of badminton.
Alright, okay.
In this video, our subscriber NG is challenging me and Franklin to a game of badminton. And if you win, you can walk home with a brand new badminton racket.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
All right.
Okay.
Before we start, you get to select a random racket I'll be using today.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All
Come
right.
inside here. Don't look.
Oh.
Okay, just this one?
Yeah, I'll pick this one.
This one is the Atomic X35 Speed. Lighter racket, meaning I'm probably not gonna smash as much against you.
Okay.
See how my playstyle changed from this. Okay, 21 points.
Okay.
How many points do you think you're gonna get?
15.
15?
Hopefully.
Ready? Okay, you can have 6 points. You can have 6 points. Rally. Ooh, rally. Should I try to beat him 21-0? Okay, let's try to beat him 21-0.
No.
Okay, for those of you guys who said Franklin always tires opponents out, here we go. 5-6.
Just woke up too Franklin.
Some of you may say he is not a worthy opponent. Well, if you think you are a worthy opponent, subscribe and join the memberships and come challenge me.
Woo! Okay, why are you wearing pajamas? And
like
what is the
pajamas.
W on your pajamas?
For Washington.
Is that where you're from?
No, I go to that place almost a lot.
Almost a lot.
Almost a lot.
Okay. Whew. What? 9-6. 10-6. Koyu, have you ever seen an ace on this channel? Let's see if we can do it today. Oh, outside. Ooh. Oh. No way. Okay, sure. I mean, I'm kind of getting lucky with some of these. I feel like I should have died shots. But let's see if the luck can stay up.
How are you feeling?
I'm confused, but yeah. Nervous.
Nervous?
Yeah.
Why are we nervous?
Not prepared, but I'll do my best. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Fast smash, but lucky. 14-6. Slow feet. Skinny Aylex is not same as Prime Aylex. If anything, my smashes are just a lot slower now. Prime Aylex also means not enough nutrition in legs Aylex. 16-6. Oh. Did he deserve to be destroyed today? I'm not sure, but it's what we decided. Oh! 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 Oh!
Why is it high? It's always in.
That was close.
One more point. I just want.
Try to go for a spinning net shot. You gotta get 1 point.
1 point, just one. All right.
17-6.
Whoa.
18-6. Ooh! 19-6. Woo! Lucky rim. All right, don't screw this up, Aylex. Don't screw this up. Don't make this an edit.
Oh my God.
21-6. Thank you.
Good game.
Okay, now they'll play you, Franklin. So I've tired him out, right? Do you need to give him a point lead? 6 points? Okay, is that fair? Or you think you want more?
I'll do 6 points again. I'll see.
Okay, 6 points.
Yeah.
Let's see it.
What?
Yeah, 7-0. Franklin actually just sucks.
No.
Oh yeah, 8-0. Okay, you ace him, you ace him.
Oh my.
Oh, nice. Oh,
No.
man. What is this? Franklin's a no-go.
Oh.
Wow. You stop letting those go.
I keep.
But what great shots. You see, it's a skill gap. He's actually not bad. Wow.
Oh.
Huh.
Oh man.
Interesting. 4-9. Nice. I don't know. Who should I be coaching? Should I coach Angie or should I coach Franklin here?
Wait, no five?
Wait, what? Don't you have 10?
Up 10?
Isn't it? Sorry for the...
No.
We have no score counting system
he's
in
right.
place. And it will stay that way.
Oh.
What are you doing?
In. Everything's in.
Can you try to be more athletic?
You're right.
Franklin this bad? Oh my god. Ooh. 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 Where are your socks from?
Amazon.
What a good fit.
Oh my.
I feel like if we ever need it, this is our second Franklin here. Dude, we have like 2 Franklins on the court right now. It's like watching Franklin play Franklin.
Oh.
Ouch.
Finally.
Can you try to play more aggressively? Yeah. That's badminton. Yo! Oh, that's badminton. There we go. Still have intention. Play aggressively. Yeah, winner. Look at that. Wow. You could have won a point if you did that against me. Nice. Wow, see? He just needed 1 tip. Sometimes it's a mindset shift. Just not playing. You gotta be more rabid, yeah. Wow, that was almost a winner. That was good. That was really good. 1-5. Keep playing aggressive. I don't know. Something's wrong with his receiving footwork. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh. Nice. What are we watching right now? Is this enjoyable to watch, guys? What do you think? Wow, that's out?
Oh.
That's a pretty good smash. Is this what it's like playing normal badminton? I'm glad I don't do that.
Oh. Ooh.
How do you guys have fun playing like this? I don't get it. You guys want to play like this? I feel like I'd rather not play than play like this. I don't know why he does that. Is that in or out?
Yes, it.
He's like the king of leaving stuff. Dodgeball. Interesting. Oh!
Oh.
Aggressive. Yeah, aggressive. Yeah, there we go. 9-7. Stay aggressive and you'll win. Nice. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, that was good, that was good. You still gotta stay aggressive though. That's your strength. Oh, wow, there it is. The king of leaving it. You gotta play aggressive. You can't hit loopy shots. You can't get stuff.
That's true.
Are you just doing this on purpose? Trying to shorten my lifespan.
No. No.
Funny y'all, is it really this close? What am I watching? Let me sit down. You gotta win the point on the first shot. That's what you need to think of.
Oh.
Out? Okay.
Good game.
Are you proud of yourself, Franklin?
Yeah, let's go.
Good try, NG. Bad try, Franklin.
A win is a win.
He's right.